Most people think they understand human behavior, but psychology says otherwise. What really drives the decisions we make every day is hidden deep inside our minds. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal secrets that will change the way you see people forever. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to MindVault for more insights. Human behavior is shaped by patterns you don't even notice. From childhood, our brain learns to react to pain, reward, and fear. Every decision you make, even the smallest one, is influenced by a mix of instincts, habits, and social conditioning. Take a moment. Think about your last reaction to someone. Was it truly yours, or was it a habit? Remember, if you're enjoying this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Humans are social creatures. We mimic behavior, follow trends, and seek approval. Psychologists call this social proof. If everyone around you does something, your brain says, "It must be right." That's why marketing works, why memes go viral, and why people sometimes do things they'd never do alone. Tip: pay attention to your environment. Are your actions truly yours? And yes, hit that like button if this is new to you, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly insights. Our emotions control more than we think. Anger, joy, fear, and sadness trigger instant reactions. Advertisers, influencers, and even friends use this, sometimes without you even noticing. Example: have you ever bought something just because it made you feel a certain way? That's your emotional brain at work. Drop a comment if this happened to you, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next mind-blowing insight. Humans are full of biases. We see what we want to see, remember what we want to remember. Confirmation bias, negativity bias, anchoring, these are all mental shortcuts that shape our behavior. They help us make decisions fast, but they also trick us into believing false patterns. So next time you're sure about something, pause and question your mind. If you've learned something new, like this video, and subscribe for more psychology secrets. Knowing human behavior gives you power. You can improve relationships, influence others ethically, and avoid being manipulated. But remember, this knowledge is for awareness, not control. If you're finding this useful, hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Human behavior is a fascinating maze, and we've only scratched the surface today. Always observe, question, and learn. The more you understand human psychology, the better decisions you make in life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a MindVault insight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next